Get ready for a very special episode on My Favorite Foods. We are going to toss, simmer, sizzle, and bubble our way through your top 5 favorite of my pasta videos right here on My Favorite Foods. Do you know which is number 1? And beginning the countdown at number 5, spaghetti and meatballs. Chop my garlic. We're going for Godfather thickness of garlic here. Then we can talk meatballs. When meat meets heat, then you have angels singing. Ah. Yeah, you see? That is what I'm getting excited about. For some people, it's diamonds. For me, it's caramelized meat. Oh, I don't even have words for that. Wow. Right, also at number 5 is spaghetti. Bolognese lasagna. Ooh. I can use this as a scarf. It's that delicate. This is a good workout too. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Ridiculous. I cannot contain myself. Remember I said you could cut it with a fork? Look at this. Coming in at number 3, spaghetti aglio olio. Another spaghetti. Handful of kosher salt. First a little smash. Whoa. Fantastic. Look at the pasta, the smell. I'm having a garlic facial right now. Ooh. Hot, hot, and ooh. It's perfection. And in second place, spaghetti carbonara. Ooh. Pancetta. It's very amazing, the smell. Did you see that? I got it. I'm so excited about making carbonara. Just like in Rome. And the overwhelming winner, 1.2 million views, is Pastio. Woo! Yes. Please come and make the pasticcio, even though I know I'm going to have to hose down the house afterwards. Okay, do you hear that? It's changing now. So the hallmark of a Greek meat sauce is these kind of Eastern spices. So you've got allspice, always clove for me, and always cinnamon. I love this cheese. It's definitely salty. It's got that bite, and it's going to be layered throughout the pasticcio. It's going to be a little bit in the pasta, it's going to be in the bechamel, and it's going to be sprinkled on top. I mean, we're making pasticcio, right? The last thing to complete this beautiful dish is the bechamel is going to come to greet the pasta and the meat. Oh my goodness. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It's just insane how good this is. All of those flavors deliver 100, 100, 100. Flavor, aroma, visuals,